Hello all, welcome to Automation Insights. Today we are going to see if a string starts with a particular text or not. I have already created a sample text called str text and assigned some values to it. So this is the text I have assigned. So the text is this is a sample text. So let me close this pop-up and then we are going to see the first method. So the first method we are going to see is called starts with. So let me drag a message box and then I can start writing the syntax. Let me open the editor first. So let me expand it and then we can start writing the syntax. The variable name dot the method name starts with, so it will check if an string starts with a particular text or not. So and then we need to pass the parameter. So here the starting text is called this, so we need to check if the string is starts with a text called this. I have already triggered the workflow, so let us see what the output is. So it is already started running and you can see the result is true. That means the text is start with an word called this. So let me change the word this to that and we can see what the output is. So it will return false as the text is not starting with an word called that. So it is returning false, which is correct. So this is the first method we have seen, the method called starts with. So the second method we are going to see is using regex. So we need to make use of an activity called isMatch. So it will return true if the pattern matches with the input string. So this is the input string. Let me copy it and then we need to click configure regular expressions and then we need to paste it in the test text. So we need to select the drop down. So we need to select starts with. So it will automatically give what is the pattern for starts with. So we need to give what is the text it is starting with. So we need to give this. As you can see, it is already started picking up the text according to the pattern we gave. So it will start with this. Let me close this editor and then we can pass the input string to the isMatch activity. So before that we create an output called bool result. So it will return boolean. So we created the output called bool result and then we need to put in message box to check if what the result is. So yeah, before that we need to write pass the input string which is str text. So we need to give the bool result in the message box and we started the workflow. So it will return true as the string starts with an text called this and it is returning true. So now we can change the text from this to any other word called. So let me put that and then if we run the workflow, it should return false. So I have triggered it and it is returning false. So which is correct. So we today we have seen how to check if an string starts with a particular text or not using the method called starts with and an activity called isMatch which uses regex to check if an string starts with a particular text or not. In the next video, we are going to see if an string ends with a particular text or not using multiple methods.